Do we need Impact Day? What is Impact Day 2022?
CCAST Bambili laid a solid foundation on which we built our present careers. We therefore show our appreciation on this day. Celebrating this day inspires the current and future generations of Casterians to excel.
Why do we need Impact Day?
Impact Day will provide that golden opportunity to reconnect. A time, Casterians of different batches converge on one stage to talk cast and caster, be it physically or on any virtual platform. Then we can start celebrating and having fruitful conversations aimed at improving our alma mater.
Who is involved in Impact Day?
All ex-students, friends, and those who wish CCAST Bambili well. It is an open event.
Where will Impact Day take place?
Impact Day will take place anywhere a Casterian is found in the world.
What do I need to be set for Impact Day?
Get your t-shirt, inform all your friends, and be ready to enjoy a memorable day. Let's meet under the canopy of Castor, celebrate and chart a way forward for our great alma mater.
Projects executed by Castor in 2022.
Donation of benches to CCAST Bambili. The Solar Energy Project. The Scholarship Project 2022.
Batches and classes that champion the 2022 projects.
Batch of 1986.
Batch of 1987.
Batch of 1998.
Batch of CCAST 1996.
Castor North America. Castor Europe.
Castor Cameroon.
How to get involved with Castor.